Discover the potential for significant returns with the only EC launched in 2024, the Lumina Grand. Tailored for HDB upgraders, EC have a track record of delivering impressive returns for their owners. Don't miss out on this valuable opportunity to improve both your living environment and property wealth with Lumina Grand. Lumina Grand Luxurious EC will feature 512 units across blocks, offering 3, 4 or 5 bedroom configurations. Spanning an area equivalent to approximately 2.5 soccer fields, Lumina Grand will showcase state-of-the-art full condo facilities. Built by the reputable company Wallhub Private Limited, it is developed by CDL Zenith Private Limited, a wholly owned subsidiary of the renowned City Developments Limited, which is also the successful developer behind the sold-out Koppen Grand project. With its strategic location in the developed town of Bukit Batok and across the street from Singapore's first smart and sustainable town of Tengah, residents of Lumina Grand enjoy the best of both worlds in terms of connectivity and modern living, embracing the serenity of Bukit Batok while being in close proximity to the cutting-edge innovations of Tengah. Lumina Grand offers residents a harmonious blend of established conveniences and forward-thinking urban planning. Families with school-going children will be happy to know that the popular schools such as St. Anthony's Primary School are just a stone's throw away, and in 2030, the Anglo-Chinese Primary School will be within 1 kilometer's radius from Lumina Grand. In addition, residents stand to enjoy the convenience of 3 MRT stations within walking distance, seamlessly connecting them to various shopping destinations nearby and mixed-use business districts, including the Jurong Innovation District and the Jurong Lake District. Besides providing immediate employment opportunities, the advantageous proximity to the business districts creates a potential exit strategy. Professionals working in the nearby business districts are prospective tenants renting at Lumina Grand for their convenient living arrangement, and potential buyers and massive HDB upgraders from the nearby townships may be attracted to the long-term investment opportunity for its thriving and accessible urban environment. The developer secured the land at $626 PPR. Recent condominium launches typically hover around $2,000 per square feet. Factoring in construction costs of about $500 per square feet, the anticipated launch price of Lumina Grand is expected to be very attractive, providing buyers with potential savings of up to $800 per square feet. This is really a deal not to be missed. While buyers of private condominiums may face borrowing restrictions when obtaining a second home loan, there are no such limitations for buyers purchasing an EC. Buyers who currently own HDB units do not need to pay ABSD when they choose to purchase an EC. In addition, buyers have the option not to sell their HDB units until the EC's TOP. Unlike private condominiums, EC buyers can leverage on the deferred payment scheme, whereby they are allowed to postpone payment of the remaining balance until the EC's TOP. Furthermore, bridging loans are available to those who need them. Subject to eligibility criteria, buyers may qualify for housing grants of up to $30,000 when acquiring an EC. It is now a known fact how EC have grown and appreciated in price, and how the first mover advantage have helped owners make remarkable profits. With so many benefits available, choosing Lumina Grand is a wise decision. The stocks of ECs available in the market is getting lower. If you miss Lumina Grand, you will have to wait another 12 months or longer for the next EC launch, as Lumina Grand is the one and only EC to be launched in the whole year of 2024. Thank you for watching this video. I'm Lynn from Orange Tea and Thai AAG Division. Do contact me at 9189-2211 to view the Lumina Grand show suite together. I'm available and most happy to assist you in your journey of growing your property wealth.